Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lupuauto Car Vacuum Portable Cordless, 20,000 PA, high power 4-in-1 handheld vacuum. There are features include 20,000 PA upgraded powerful handheld vacuum. Built with the upgraded brushless motor. Lupuauto handheld car vacuum cleaner has a powerful suction of 20,000 PA and a high speed of 85,000 RPM. It is equipped with a high-powerful motor to effectively absorb dirt, dust and debris, and can easily reach the corners that are difficult to reach by large vacuum cleaners, helping you to do all-around cleaning, easily solve the cleaning problems. Fast charging and long runtime. Handheld cordless vacuum cleaner has a built-in 5200 mAh rechargeable battery with a Type-C charging port. It can be easily charged using a car charger, mobile power, laptop, rechargeable battery, and other methods. It takes only 3 hours to charge and runs 30 minutes. The LED light on your cordless car vacuum works well to illuminate those dark, hard-to-see places. 4-in-1 multi-function vacuum cleaner. This cordless handheld vacuum integrates 4 functions: suction, compression, inflation, and dust blowing, making it suitable for various cleaning and maintenance tasks. Easily blow away debris and dust from surfaces, or effortlessly remove particles, pet hair, and dirt from gaps in keyboards, carpets, and more. Additionally, it can serve as a barbecue fan or inflate swim rings and other items. Professional multi-cleaning accessories. The handheld car vacuum is equipped with multi-cleaning tools meet all your car cleaning needs. The flat brush can accurately absorb small particles in the gaps, the hair brush can clean pet hair on the table or sofa, the floor brush can clean floor debris, and the extension tube can help you clean hard-to-reach places. Handheld cordless vacuum cleaner suitable for cleaning all the car interiors as seats, console, dash, door or hard-to-reach corners. Easy to carry and washable HEPA filter. Our car portable cordless vacuum is lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take it with you to any place you want to clean. The enhanced HEPA filter can be washed and reused, ensuring efficient suction power while keeping dust and dirt outside to prevent blockage. Please dry it before putting it back into the vacuum. If the filter is full of dust or suction power is not enough, please clean dust in the filter in time. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.